The Renogy 3000W Pro inverter brings household-level power to your off-grid setup with advanced features like automatic transfer and app-based monitoring. It is a serious tool for demanding mobile applications. Check the link in the description for the best price. Let us explore the real-world capabilities of this unit. Here is how this unit performs under load and in daily operation. The Pure Sine Wave output effectively runs demanding appliances like microwaves and refrigerators without the interference found in lower-quality units. The automatic transfer switch makes transitioning between shore power and battery supply seamless for your sensitive electronics. Having both wired remote access and Bluetooth app monitoring allows you to track voltage and load data from anywhere in your rig. Installing this unit is challenging because the high current demands require short, thick cables and robust fuses to maintain system safety. The unit offers excellent power delivery and smart control, but the physical installation is the most critical hurdle for successful operation. We looked at the cost against the features provided. The inclusion of transfer switching and smart monitoring provides significant utility that often requires separate, expensive components on cheaper systems. The efficiency ratings are quite competitive, ensuring that more of your stored energy actually reaches your appliances instead of being lost as heat. Buying into the Renogy ecosystem provides better documentation and warranty support than you would typically find with unbranded power inverters. You receive a very capable power management system, though remember to factor in the cost of high-quality wiring and batteries into your total budget. Safety depends on following strict installation guidelines. You must ensure every connection is torqued correctly and that your wire gauges are adequate to prevent overheating during high-load periods. Your 12-volt battery bank needs the capacity to deliver hundreds of amps safely, otherwise you risk significant voltage drops and system instability. The presence of official manuals and established customer support channels adds a layer of security that is missing with cheaper imports. The risks here are almost entirely related to installation. Using the wrong cables or ignoring safety standards can lead to serious electrical issues. If you are an experienced builder constructing a high-capacity system, this inverter is a top-tier choice for consistent power. Avoid this unit if you lack the expertise to manage high-current DC wiring or have a small battery bank. Its strength lies in its feature set, but it remains a tool that rewards careful, professional installation and proper system engineering.